Assalamualaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Before going to start our lesson, I want to introduce myself. I am MD Fazur Ali, Bagrat Girls High School. Okay, now we are going to start our lesson. Before going to start our lesson, please look at the screen and there are two pictures. Look at the screen. We see there are two pictures. One is jackfruit, it is our national fruit, and another picture we see is smoking. First picture gives us a positive idea, and second picture is smoking gives us negative idea. So can you guess what we are going to learn today? Perhaps you have understood what we are going to learn today. So look, the name of topic is affirmative to negative. Actually, today we are going to learn affirmative to negative. If you transfer a sentence from affirmative to negative, you will have to learn some rules. Look, our first rule: if you see only or alone, and if it indicates person, you will have to use noun verb instead of only or alone. Look, our first sentence is only Allah can help us. We see there is only, and if you make it negative, you will have to write noun verb instead of only. Next, alone you can solve this math. There is alone. We can use, or we have to use noun verb instead of alone. Noun verb you can solve this math. So we see, if you see only or alone in your sentence and it indicates person, we will have to use noun verb. Next rule: if you see only or alone and it indicates object or thing, we will have to use nothing but instead of only or alone. Example: he bought only rice from the market. He went to market and bought only rice. We say he bought only rice. It indicates object rice. Example: he bought only rice from the market. Try to write answer, please. He went to market. I am helping you. He went to market and bought only rice, not meat or fish. He bought only rice. So what do we mean? What does it indicate? Person or object or thing? Please try to write the answer. Match your answer with my answer. He bought nothing but rice from the market. We saw he went to market and only bought rice. So instead of only, we wrote nothing but, because here only indicates object. Rice is an object. Another example. Try to write the answer of this sentence. She likes only milk as drink. Please try to answer. Right answer. Perhaps you have understood and perhaps you have written the answer on your notepad. She likes only milk. Please now match with your answer with me. She likes nothing but, because milk is an object, so we have written nothing but instead of only. Next rule will come: if you see in your assertive sentence only or alone and if it indicates number or age, then you will have to write not more than or not less than. Write an example. I have written an example. Please write down the sentence. He has only 5 goats. Perhaps you have written this sentence. He has only 5 goats. Here we see there is a number 5. It indicates number. So I have told you, if you see age or number, we will have to write not more than or not less than instead of number or age. Look, here not more than or not less than 5 goats, as 5 is number. Another example, he went to school when he was only 5 years old. If we write down this example, we see he went to school when he was only 5 years old. This sentence indicates age, only 5 years. So, what may be its answer? Try to understand. He went to school when he was 5 years old. Only, there is only. So, what will its answer? He went to school when he was not more than or not less than. Match your answer. He went to school when he was only 5 years old. We also see that 5 is number and indicates years old. So he went to school when he was not more than or not less than 5 years old. Please write down the answer on your notepad or notebook. Next rule we will see must, have to, has to, should. If you see in your sentence there is must or have to or has to or should, then we will have to write cannot but or cannot help. If you write cannot but, you will have to use must present form after but. But if you write cannot help, you will must have to add ing with present form. Look, I have written an example. We must respect our parents. There is must. We must, look, we cannot but respect our parents because there is must. Instead of must, we can write cannot but respect our parents. Or we cannot write, we cannot help respecting. I have told you, if we write cannot but, we have to use base form. Respect here, base form. But if we write help, we must add ing with base verb, respecting. Dear students, try to write the answer of B. Write down the question and try to answer the question. We have take to balanced diet to maintain good health. Please try. In the sentence which there is have to. Perhaps you have written and match your answer with me. We have to. There is have to. Instead of have to, we can write we cannot but take balanced diet to maintain good health. So if you see must or have to or has to or should in your sentence, we will use cannot but or cannot help. If we use cannot but, we will use base form or verb, and if we use help, we will have to add ing with base form. Next, we should respect our parents. Here we see should. So what may be its answer? Look, we cannot but respect our parents. Or we cannot help respecting our parents. Now we are going another rule. Have to. If you see there is have to in your sentence, and if you are asked to change the sentence, you will have to write could not but or could not help. As have is past form, we will have to use could not but or could not help. Look, I have given an example. We have to go to market to buy a shirt, which there is have in our assertive sentence or affirmative sentence. We have to go to, so we will now write we could not but go to market to buy a shirt. As there is have to, we have written could not but. Please write down the answer on your notebook. Have you written? Perhaps you have written. Write down another example. She had to look after her old parents. There is also had to. So it is an easy example for you. Write down the answer. She had to. Here is had to. So we will have to use could not but. She could not but look after her parents, or she could not help looking after her parents. If you use help, you will have to add ing with base form of verb. Write down the answer. Can you go another rule? Perhaps we may go. As soon as, if you see, as soon as in your affirmative sentence, you will have to write at the place of as soon, no sooner had. Look, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. In the affirmative sentence, we say as soon as. Instead of as soon as, you will have to write no sooner had. I have written no sooner had. Then the subject the thief, and as there is had, we will have to write the thief or past participle form of saw, and at the place of comma we will have to use them. No sooner had the thief seen the police, then he ran away. So if you see as soon as in your affirmative sentence, you will have to write no sooner had, and you will have to write down the past participle form of the verb. As soon as there was past form of she saw, but now we will have to write seen. She saw, seen. Please write down the answer. And next, you will have to write this portion and try to solve this problem. As soon as I went at the station, the train left. Try to answer or try to write answer. At the beginning of the sentence, we say as soon as. So we will have to write no sooner had. I ran, go and ran at the station. Then at the place of comma, we will have to use then. The train left. Write down the answer. Perhaps you have understood this rule. Another rule, if you see both and in your affirmative sentence, it is very easy for you. If you see both and in your affirmative sentence, at the place of both, you will have to write not only, and at the place of and, you will have to write but also. Look, we can solve this example. he is both healthy and strong. We say there is both and in this sentence. So at the place of both, I have written he is not only. At the place of both, I have written not only, and at the place of and, I have written but also. He is not only healthy but also strong. Try to write answer of this portion. She was both brilliant and beautiful. Write down the answer of this sentence. She was both brilliant and beautiful. Perhaps you have understood or you have written. She was not only brilliant but also beautiful. It is very easy. Only at the place of both you will have to write not only, and at the place of and you will have to write but also. There is no change. Another example. Another rule. If you say two or two in your affirmative sentence, at the place of two you will have to use so, and at the place of two you will have to use two. After that you will have to bring subject. That will you find at the beginning. Look, we can give an example and try to solve this. He is too weak to walk. Look, there is 2 and 2. I have written he is 2. At the place of 2 I have written so. Adjective weak. At the place of 2 I have written that. Then subject he. And if you see first portion is amnesia. That means present indefinite tense or present tense. We will have to use cannot. And if you see at the beginning of the sentence there is was or were past tense, you will have to use would not. Look, she was too honest to tell a lie. In the first sentence there was is, and second sentence we see was. So she was so honest that she could not. As there is was, I have written would not. And in the first sentence is cannot. Dear students, today we have learned some rules, and from those rules your homework will be this, and please write down the homework. There are 5 sentences I have written. You will have to solve these problems according to rules I have taught you today. Please write down your homework. I am reading A. Only Allah can save from this COVID-19. Number B. She was only 5 years old when she went to school. Number C. He had to go to market to buy. Shirt. Number D. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. And last, she was both brilliant and pious. Please write down these 5 sentences. Please write down your homework. Have you written? Perhaps you have written the homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, and stay at home. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.